qualified baby massage and baby yoga instructor. I'm going to talk you through some of the parents' most asked questions when it comes to baby massage. So parents quite often ask which oil is best to use when you're massaging your baby. The best oil you can use is a vegetable-based oil, like a coconut oil or a sunflower oil. Any vegetable-based oil tends to be packed with nutrients and vitamins that's really, really good for your baby's skin. So using any of those kind of oils will really, really help. If your little one has any skin conditions, so they are more commonly using certain creams, you can of course use those creams instead. And also for any babies, just make sure you do a patch test. Although you might be using a vegetable-based oil that will be organic and 100% natural, it's always best just to be careful and just to be sure. So you can do something like do a little patch test on the wrist. Just take a small amount of the oil, pop it on the wrist, and just wait for 5 minutes and make sure that there's nothing there that wasn't there before, and you're all good to go. Another very commonly asked question is, when can I massage my baby? So it's totally up to you, and the beauty of massage is that it's flexible. So you can choose any time in the day that suits you and your little one. You're looking for baby to be relaxed, awake and alert and happy. So you want to make sure that you're not massaging baby when they're asleep. If they're asleep, obviously leave them be and let them rest. Don't massage your baby after they've fed. We just don't want to speed up any the rate that the milk is going through the digestive system. And just make sure that your baby is awake and happy and you're good to go. If you're noticing any cues from your baby that they're a little bit unhappy or unsettled, stop the massage and meet their needs, and then come back to the massage later. Many parents also ask if they can massage their older babies and how long can they massage their baby for in terms of age. The beauty again with massage is that you can continue massaging your little one for as long as both you and they are happy for it to happen. So of course we're always looking for those happy cues like we've just mentioned, making sure that baby's happy for massage to take place, and you'd continue to do that as they grow and develop. Of course, maybe using more verbal language to ask them as they start to understand. We can change the massage routines up a little bit as babies get older, but as long as your baby is happy, you can continue massaging them for as long as you want to.